What's up, everybody? Nolan with Black Diamond Services. I am out at a commercial account. It's Saturday morning, and I want to thank Schwann's Food Delivery for giving us the opportunity to clean for them. So I'm going to be doing their office here. They got a lot of people that come in and out, so a lot of traffic. So they had me come out to do an estimate. I did a little small demo using VLM, and it actually did really well. But I am actually going to be doing hot water extraction, just because this is a first time clean for, it's been a while. So what I wanted to do is start out by doing my normal hot water extraction that you guys constantly see me doing. So I'm going to try and get them on a maintenance plan to help maintain it, because they do have a lot of foot traffic. These guys are in and out on the road a lot, and greasy feet and everything like that. So we want to make sure they're nice and clean and set to go. So I'm going to go ahead and get this. So here's where I did a quick little demo. So you can tell that it definitely needs hot water extraction, and not just VLM for this go around, but that's what won me the job, is doing a quick little demo using my Orbot Vibe and encapsulation product. Well, it wasn't a ton, but it's a lot of fine dust, as you can see, just from commercial carpet. It has been a long time since this has been vacuumed, from what I can tell, but lots of fine dust. So we got loose carpet, torn seams. You can see right up in front of my wand. Carpet's loose. But it is cleaning up nice, so that's always a positive. So this is their break room that I just finished out. This is why this part of the hallway is in the worst condition. Everybody goes this way. do a little bit more up the center here, just to be sure. So this is another room that they have to all walk through to get to some supplies. So this traffic area is probably second as far as condition goes compared to the walk path to the break room. And the carpet's kind of worn out, but it's cleaning up and it's actually looking a lot better. So I'm pretty satisfied with the results so far. Can't wait to see what the end of the hallway looks like, considering that's the roughest spot. So in my pre-spray, I used some delaminine or citrusol citrus-based cleaner, so then they're coming in and out of the parking lot constantly. I wanted to have something to kind of break the oils down, make them water soluble so I can rinse them out. And then I'm also using Grout Master because it does really good on CGD carpet. And then there was a few stains, so I used a booster for that, and it came right out almost. It started to disappear just from when I pre-sprayed it, and then it just popped right out after rinsing it. So a desk used to be right here, that's why there's a wear spot there. Another rough spot right in front of the bathroom here. Definitely a lot of built up soil, as this is the beginning of the hallway leading out from their shop. So this is the first spot that everybody walks. You can tell it needs at least a full set of 2 more passes over each area, so just for it to start to clean up and look better. But this area is to be expected to be decently worn out, They didn't specify when the last time it was cleaned, but I'm hoping to get them on a maintenance plan, considering how much traffic they have. I think it would be beneficial. Alright, so this is the last office. You can see there was a floor mat there. It's blending alright. This floor mat has been down for a long time. I'm just going to assume it hasn't been cleaned for a bit. So it's not going to perfectly blend because it's just worn on the outside perimeter. Where the mat was at is pretty fresh, but there's a little patch in the middle because the inside of the mat was actually broken apart. So soil and stuff was getting in between it. So this office was actually pretty bad. Dirt was continuously coming through. A little hard to tell, but it's pretty consistent in this area, popping through even after doing a second pass over like this. So, almost done with this job, and it's time to start the weekend. So I appreciate you guys watching. I want to thank Schwann's for having me out to clean their carpet. Hope they will consider me again in the future for maintenance cleans, and then for bigger cleans like this to help keep their carpets in good order, and to minimize future issues, considering they have tons of traffic. See you guys in the next one. Time to see how dirty that water truly is from that commercial job. Ooh. Not surprised that it's that dark. Wow.